Hello everyone and welcome to your channel Simple and Easy English. Today we are going to learn the adverbs of time. So the adverbs of time tell us when an action happens, and it tells us as well how long it takes, and it tells us as well how often it happens. Adverbs of time answer these three questions: when, how long, and how often. Let's take now a look at some examples to see when some actions happen. The first one: she ate ice cream yesterday. For sure, the adverb of time in this example is yesterday, because it answers the question, when did she eat ice cream? When? So automatically the answer is yesterday. I see you now. The question is, when do I see you? The answer is, I see you now. The adverb of time, of course, is now. I tell him daily. One more time. The adverb is daily. We met last year. In this sentence, the adverb of time is last year because it answers the question, when did we meet? Yeah, last year. He will call you later. The adverb of time here is later. So as you can see from all these examples that the adverb of time, most of them are always placed at the end of the sentences. One more adverb of time is how long. Let's see some examples. She stayed home all day. So in this case, as you can see, the adverb is placed at the end of the sentence and it answers the question, how long did she stay home? So the answer simply is all day. I studied in Canada for a year. So in this example as well, the adverb is placed at the end of the sentence because it answers the question, how long did I study in Canada? So the answer is the adverb for a year. He has taught English since 1990. So the adverb of time in this case also is placed at the end of the sentence and it answers the question, how long has he taught English? One more example. I studied English for 4 hours. Once more, the adverb of time is placed at the end of the sentence because it answers the question, how long did I study English? And the last example, we have lived in Morocco since 2005. So the adverb of time in this example is since 2005. Let's see now some other examples with another expression of expressing manner of time, how often. In this case, the adverb of time describes the frequency of an action. Example, you must always study. As you can see, the adverb in this case is placed between the auxiliary verb must and the verb study. It means it is placed before the verb, but it is placed as well between the auxiliary, in this case must, and the main verb study. There are other examples of auxiliaries like be, may, have, and so on. But there is only one exception when there is the verb, or if the main verb is to be, because in this case, if we have the main verb to be, the frequency of time must be placed after the verb or the main verb to be. Example, I am never sick. So in this case, the verb to be I am. This is why the adverb of time comes after the verb to be. Never. Let's see some more examples. I often eat pizza. Do you see the adverb? Yes, the adverb is often. It is placed before the verb eat. He has never drank cola. In this example, we have an auxiliary which is has and the verb drank. This is why the adverb of type never is placed between them, between the auxiliary and the verb. You must always brush your teeth. The same example, the adverb of type always is placed between the auxiliary must and the verb brush. I am seldom late. In this case, we have, pay attention, the verb to be. This is why the adverb of time is placed directly after the verb to be. After the verb to be. This is why we used I am seldom late. He rarely lies. And in this case, the adverb of time is placed before the verb lies. He rarely lies. At the end, we thank you for watching our videos and we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon and bye.